Meaning of distinctly.
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 Distinctly. Distinctly is an adverb that means clearly and unmistakably. When something is done distinctly, it is done in a way that stands out or can easily be identified separately from other things. For example, a person might have a distinctly different accent that sets them apart from others in the same region. A food flavor might also be described as distinctly spicy or sweet because it is easily distinguishable from other flavors. Overall, when something is done distinctly, it is done in a way that makes it unique and noticeable.